Hello, my name is GoldiLocks because I have pretty golden hair. My hair is the prettiest hair in the world. Let's go for a walk in the forest. This is a scary forest. The scariest forest in the world. Oh, look! A house. Wow, this is a beautiful house. More beautiful than my house. Let's knock on the door. Oh, 3 bowls. This bowl is big. This bowl is smaller than that bowl. That bowl is the smallest bowl out of the 3. Oh. I'm hungry. And this food looks delicious. Let's try. Delicious. I'm still hungry. Let's try this one. Delicious. That's more delicious than that food. But I'm still hungry. Let's try that one. That is the most delicious food out of the 3. I'm tired. I need to rest. Oh, look, 3 chairs. Which chair is the best for a rest? Let's see if this chair is comfortable. No, it's not comfortable. Let's try the other chair. This is more comfortable than the other chair, but it's not comfortable. Let's try the 3rd chair. Oh, yes. This is the most comfortable chair of the 3.
Pat, look out!
Oh, sorry, Kevin. Oh, I was having such a wonderful dream.
Really? Oh, tell me about it.
Oh, okay.